Hello viewers and welcome to my channel Cook and Eat. Now before starting the recipes, viewers, this is my request to you all that please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Click on all to get all my notifications whenever I upload the video. And today we are going to make mango smoothie without cow's milk. The ingredients are 1 medium-sized mango, 1 small cup of coconut, 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar, 2 to 4 tablespoons of condensed milk or milk maid. Now let us start the recipe. Now I am taking the milk from these coconuts. For that I am grinding these coconuts nicely. Now once I have grinded the coconut nicely, while grinding the coconut please add little water. And now take the milk from it as shown in the video. And the coconut milk is ready. Processing to make a smoothie. For that, take a blender and add 1 medium-sized chopped mangoes in it. In it add sugar, 2 teaspoons. It is according to the sweetness of mango. Add ice cubes and just grind it. Now once you've grinded the mango, add 1 cup of coconut milk in it. Once you've added the coconut milk, add 2 to 4 tablespoons of condensed milk or the milk maid. Now grind it again very smoothly. And mango milkshake or mango smoothie without cow's milk is ready to serve. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.